If you run a recording studio, you already know. Your results are only as good as the artists you work with. Some artists come in ready, focused, and efficient. Others, they're figuring everything out during the session, and that slows everything down. Not just the session, but your entire workflow. The issue isn't your equipment, and it's not your engineer. It's artist preparation. That's exactly why we created Foundation X Academy's artist training system for studios. It's a simple 5-module system you send to your artists before they step into your studio. It teaches them how to come prepared, how to perform properly on the mic, how to work with your engineer, what makes a song sound professional, and how to move with purpose after the session. So instead of slowing down sessions, your artists move with intention. You get faster workflow, better recordings, more consistent clients, and a higher level of artists coming through your studio. Because at the end of the day, the studios that grow aren't just recording artists, they're developing them. When an artist books with you, you send them the link. They complete the training. Then they show up ready. If you want better sessions, better results, and a stronger studio overall, click below and start using the system today.